I also have these young men out here with me. They're going to be flying not too long after this. I have Nate here. Nate's how old?
13.
Then I have Keon here. How old are you, Keon?
15.
And Ryan, his brother. How old are you, Ryan?
11.
So just so you guys know, it's not just us old farts out here that fly. These kids like to do it too. I started when I was really young. I'm an older guy now, but I still enjoy doing it just as much as I did then. So the kids are going to be flying. We're going to have a little formation demo we'll do here after this. So once Ken gets clear, my F5 is right there in front of him. I'm going to do a little high performance takeoff and take off, go straight up if I can. So hope you guys like it. I'm getting ready to go. Huh? Yeah, Ken's right there. Give him a hand, guys.
Kinda cleared. Gear up, flaps up.
Sorry, Ray, I can't focus.
It's all right. I'll get closer. I'll do a slow pass close. Do as best you can. Don't worry about it.
Notice the gear is top. Orientation, how difficult it is to control this. When you get to the car, you don't know which way it's heading, whether it's up or down or right or left, you can't control it. But over time, you start
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, setting up to land. Gonna be right over us.
Gear down. Landing flat. Flaps up.
Yeah, you gotta give me a minute. Take about a minute, okay? You guys can get set up out there, but wait for me, all right?
Young men on the ends are brothers, Keon and Ryan. They're going to fly the red hawk.
Gyro initialized. Gear down.
Display model like this, on scheme. By the way, these are red hawks, so for about roughly $300 each. Of course, you have to add your battery and your receiver. But now you can see that for 300, you get a lot of enjoyment out of this delay. It has onboard lights. You can see a nose light.
Okay, guys.
Green light on the end of the red.
So let's take off, guys. Let's take off one at a time. Try to space each other out a little bit.
Is it okay if you step?
Yeah, you can step back. Yeah.
Everyone like just step back,
guys, all the time.
from the taxi.
Well, stagger yourself. Stagger yourself so you can see. Okay. But let me get out there to you. Yeah, space yourselves out. We don't have to be right on. We don't have to be on top of each other. Now listen. Even though I'm not going to be the lead, I'm going to tell you what to do. All right. So try to keep above 10 feet. Do the stuff you guys normally do. Just keep everything away from here forward. All right. So Keon, you go ahead first. Go, Nate. Okay, go, Ryan. We'll have to try to join up for a little bit, okay? Do inverted passes, knife edge, whatever you're comfortable with. Okay, and we can do downwind too if we all do it together, okay? So let's switch up the direction, all right? Okay, go. Everybody stay high. Ryan's going to doing the knife downwind. There you go.
Time remaining.
Still, okay, go ahead. If whatever you guys are comfortable with. We can kind of make it look like chaos. The crowd will like it better.